Hoy hoy, let's take a look today at Shovel Fighter from Dreamstar Toys. They say, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me, but I do believe in second chances. I took a look at their Silverbolt, and it was one of the worst figures I've ever had. So I basically wrote them off, but then I started seeing videos for this guy, and apparently this one is pretty damn good. So let's hope that is the case as we open him. There we go. Box to the floor. Nothing in the box. See what's we have in here. The instruction, and just instructions. Sadly, no collector's cards. Oh well. And here we have part of the blister. We're starting off really well because the blister's not broken as it was with their fucking Silverbolt. And here we have a gun. Really well painted. That looks pretty fucking nice. It's a very nice looking gun. And that's it. Nothing else in the... Oh yeah, the blister actually was broken. Huh. So, let's see. Now, once these guys were announced, I actually already was sort of planning on going for them because they remind me of the Kang Toys look, and I do like how the Kang Toys figures look. So let's take a look at this guy. Let's close in a little bit. Focus. There you go. Thank you. He looks very good. I saw the transformation. I actually like the transformation, especially how you transform the cab for the tractor. Looks pretty damn good, pretty damn nice. Let's look at the articulation. This is on a ratchet. Can probably go, yeah, there you go. That's also ratcheted. Not bad. Swivel here, double jointed, and that looks pretty good. Hole here, but that's fine. I like that, how it doesn't really break the sculpt because of that. Fingers, I believe they are, nope, they're not individually articulated. You have 3 fingers on one hinge and one fully articulated finger so he can point at people. The thumb is fully articulated, which is weird, and you usually don't see it that way. So that's interesting. Wrist swivel. Everything here seems to look very tight. Gotta see how the hell the tractor shovel actually goes. That's a bit of a backpack, but that's understandable. These things are meant to combine. You have an ab crunch, sir. He does, and it's a very tight ab crunch as well. That's pretty cool. What about your hip skirts? They move to the side. That's ratcheted. That's ratcheted. That's tightly ratcheted. That's pretty fucking good. Oh, ratchet at the knee as well. Very good ratchets. And limited ankle tilt. Oop. I accidentally undid a bit of the transformation. Let's see how the fuck do I get it back to where it goes. Come on. The hell. There we go. But yeah, the ankle tilts are not that limited though. Thought they were way more limited than that. Originally when I saw the videos, this part worried me because it looked like it would be loose. And it doesn't tab anywhere. But it's very well tensioned. Very fucking well tensioned, actually. So that's pretty fucking nice. Color me surprised. This feels like a genuine premium product. If you told me that Kang Toys did this, I would actually believe you. I would actually believe you that Kang Toys did this, because again, it looks like Kang Toys and it actually sort of feels like Kang Toys. Do you have a thigh swivel? You do. It's tight, but you do have a thigh swivel. That's wow. Woof. Woof! Let's give him his gun. Not much else to say for this dude, honestly. Like, this is fucking great. I can't wait to sit down and actually transform it. But from everything I've gathered, this dude is actually pretty amazing. My only real gripe with him... Yeah, I wish the arms would actually fan out. They only fan out this side. I wish they could fan out. I forget how that, like, yeah, here. I wish he could open his arms here. Like, no outward movement. You have upward movement, but no real outward movement. And I wish he did. But he does not. So that's to me, that's missing. The outward movement in the arm. Besides that, I am going to disassemble his head, because I am going to paint that visor. The head sculpt looks amazing. However, focus, it looks dead, because the visor is dark, because you're supposed to give it a battery to turn on lighting features, but I don't care about lighting features. I don't care about light piping. Just give me painted eyes. I'll pay extra for painted eyes. That's fine for me. But pretty good. Let's get into some size comparisons before I keep messing around with him. Let's head back a little bit. Lower the lighting a little bit. There you go. Here he is next to Mega Man X. Way taller than X is. Here he is next to a mainline Optimus Prime. So you get a sense of the sizing for that. And last but not least, here he is next to the all-important MP10. Actually towers over MT. No, that doesn't tower over MP10. Towers because of this. Because of the shovel. Because of the shovel. Otherwise, MP10 is a hair a smidgen taller than he is. Just by a smidge. Just by a very small smidge. Wow. Okay, so color me pleasantly surprised. Color me pleasantly surprised. When I got the aerial bots, I only got one, but that aerial bot left me with a really bad taste in my mouth. This dude, however, looks and feels great. I'm gonna paint the eyes eventually, and I wish he had outward movement with the arms. But besides that, this is a very great release. And I already paid off Hook Warrior, I believe. I don't know which one is that. I know this one's Scrapper, right? I don't fucking remember, man. Don't ask me. I don't know about Transformers. I know about cool transforming robots. That's what I know about. Toys, robot toys. Cool transforming robot toys. That's what I know about. Don't know much about Transformers themselves. But this dude is great. I am eventually gonna transform him, see how that feels. I'm actually thinking about removing all this part, because this is all for combine mode and I am not gonna combine him. And from what I gathered, you don't really need this for transformation. So I might end up removing this. Might not. But with that said, this dude is great. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for hearing me ramble. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys in the next one. This was great. Adios.